In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your TikTok account status. This will help you confirm if you've violated any TikTok policies, okay? Or if your account is in good health. Let's get started. Okay, locate the TikTok app. To open in the TikTok app, click on your profile button here at the bottom. Then click on the three bars at the top or the hamburger sign. Then tap on balance. Okay. Now you want to scroll down and tap on monetization. Then scroll down. Make sure you follow every step here so don't make any mistake. Okay. Just scroll down. Then you will see more tools. Under more tools, tap on account check. Now TikTok is doing account check. Now you can see this account has no outstanding issues. So this is how you check the status of your TikTok account. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so and subscribe and like the video because this really helps me make more content. Thank you.